Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on Realme P1. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you have to select your language, or you can just click next. Now you have to select your region and then click continue and then click next. And here you can insert your SIM card, or you can click next. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click skip. Then you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip and then click later. Now you have to click next. And here you have to select your screen display size, then click continue. And now you have to select your navigation method and click done. Now click get started. And as you can see, my phone is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.